Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is our next problem. Problem having been chosen from the book Modern Physics by Paul A. Tipler. Okay, Modern Physics by Paul A. Tipler. As usual, we first come to its statement. Two spaceships pass each other traveling in opposite directions. A passenger on ship A, which she knows to be 100-meter long, notes that ship B is moving with a speed of 0.92 c. That is where c is speed of light. That is to say 92% of the speed of light, approximately, relative to A, and that the length of B is 36 meter. What are the lengths of the two spaceships measured by a passenger in B? Dear students, before going to its solution, we discuss a snapshot, and we have introduced two slightly different versions of this snapshot. Both these snapshots have been chosen from two different books. Okay. First snapshot is length contraction. L is equal to L naught into under root 1 minus u square over c square, while L naught is the proper length. In second snapshot, alternate snapshot, this thing is explained in a relatively more comprehensive manner. Okay. The length of an object measured by an observer at rest relative to the object is called the proper length L naught. The length of the same object measured by an observer who sees the object moving at speed v is L, where L is equal to L naught into under root 1 minus v square over c square. This effect is known as length or space contraction because moving objects are contracted in the direction of their motion. Okay, dear students, our solution is completely based on the philosophy conveyed by these two snapshots. Okay. Now, using LAP equal to proper length of A, okay, where A is written as a subscript of capital L and P is again a subscript of A. Okay, similarly LBP, where B is a subscript of L and P is a subscript of B, is the proper length of B. LA is equal to length of A measured by B, while LB, where B is written as a subscript of L, is the length of B measured by A. V is equal to 0.92 c, where c is speed of light. 0.92 c is, in other words, alternatively equivalent to 92% of the speed of light. Okay. So, using these notations in the expression L equal to L naught into under root 1 minus v square over c square equation or expression 1, we get, okay, LA is equal to LAP. Okay, LA is length of A measured by B, while LAP is the proper length of A. Similarly, LB is equal to LBP into under root 1 minus V square over C square. This is designated as equation number 3. Okay, where LB is the length of B measured by A and LBP is the proper length of P. Okay. Okay, dear students, this expression is the same which we have given in snapshots, two alternate snapshots. Okay, on the basis of this, we have developed two other equations. Okay, keeping in view these four notations. Okay, now we will solve 2 and 3 and hence our problem will be solved. Now LA is equal to LAP into 1 minus 0.92 C over C square. This is also whole square, 0.92 C whole square. Okay, we know that value of LAP, that is proper length of A measured by B, is equal to LAP, and this is given in the statement as 100 meter. LAP is equal to 100. LAP, proper length of A, proper length of A, proper length of A is given as 100, while B is given as 0.92 C. Okay, while LA is to be known. What is LA? LA is the length of A measured by B. Okay, this factor we are going to determine. Okay, LA is equal to LAP into 1 minus this. LAP is according to statement 100 meter. Okay, when we will simplify this, it will become 1 minus 0.8464. Okay, because C square will be cancelled out with C square, and when we multiply 0.92 with 0.92, then we get 0.8464. Okay, when we will subtract this factor from 1, we will get 0.1536. when we will take under root of this expression, we will get 0.392. Okay, so LA becomes equal to 39.192 meter. LA has been found. LA has been found. LA, that is length of A measured by B, has been found, and it has become equal to 39.192. Okay, now we come towards the other part of the solution. LB is equal to LBP into 1 minus 0.9090. Okay, where LB and LBP, what are LB and LBP? LB and LBP. LB is the length of B measured by A, and LBP is the proper length of B. Okay, our expression is that LB, that is length of B measured by A, is equal to LBP, that is proper length of B, into under root 1 minus V square over C square. Okay, so this is it. Now according to statement, value of this is given. Okay, value of this is given as 36 meter, while value of this is yet to be determined. Okay, so in this expression we have put the value of LB, which is provided in the statement. Okay, so this becomes equal to this. This becomes equal to this, when we, C square will be cancelled out with C square, and square of 0.92 will be equal to 0.8464, and when this factor is subtracted from 1, we will get 0.1536, and when under root of this factor is taken, then it becomes 0.392. Okay, so this implies that 36 meter becomes equal to proper length of B into 0.392. Okay, from here proper length of B becomes equal to 36 meter divided by 0.392. Okay, because we have kept proper length of B, LBP, on one side, and hence 0.392 has been shifted to other side of equality, and 0.392, which is being used as a multiplying factor here, will become as a divisor, will appear in the denominator. on the other side. Okay, hence proper length of B becomes equal to 36 meter divided by 0.392. This becomes equal to 91.84 meter. Okay, hence we have solved our both values, we have calculated our both values. Okay, LA, which becomes equal to 39.192 meter, and LBP, that is proper length of B, equal to 91.84 meter. And this is the end of our problem. This is the end of our video. Till next video, Allah Hafiz.